Before taking actions in any problem we encounter, there should always be a plan first. That is, if we want to come up with positive results. You wouldn't want to enter a battle without preparing how to defeat the enemy, would you? Attempting a task without planning is like building a house without a blueprint or playing against a basketball team without playing plays with your teammates. How could you expect a good outcome? Weight loss is not at all different from the above-mentioned plan necessary situations. It also involves taking actions in proper ways that need to be perfectly planned in order to bring satisfying results. Here are the 4 key elements you will for making your weight loss plan a success. Setting a goal. Okay, so your weight is somewhere around 20% above the considered normal for your height. You tend to eat more than 5 regular meals a day. You're certain that you're obese or at least overweight. Now, the question is, where do you want your weight to be? Setting a goal is the first step in planning for weight loss. Know what you want to accomplish. This way, the road you are taking is clear. You can keep track of your journey and whether or not you are going along in the right direction. With a goal in mind, you are always motivated to finish a task, or in some cases, to start doing it. Be definite. Setting a specific goal when planning for weight loss improves your chances of success. You just need to be clear and definite with what you want to happen. Vague aims such as, "I'd like to be healthier" or "I need to lose a few pounds" tend to produce half-hearted efforts and poor results. Instead, state your goal distinctly: "I want to lose 1 to 2 pounds this week and every week," or "I want to trim my waistline from 40 inches down to 38 inches by the end of the month." If you need to, write it down and put it where you will always see and read it. This way, you'll always be reminded of what you want and need to accomplish by the end of the month, the week or even the day. Be realistic. In establishing a definite weight loss goal, make sure that it is possible to accomplish first. How can a goal like, "I'll lose 15 pounds, in just a week," happen if all of the evidence presented by research suggests that you should only burn 1 to 2 pounds in a week? Goals need to be sensible so that they are within reason to be able to obtain. What happens when you set a goal and don't reach it no matter how hard you tried because it wasn't really achievable? You will only get depressed and disappointed, which are 2 of the psychological causes of obesity. And the problem just becomes a vicious cycle with no end to it. Strategizing. After carefully defining a goal of what you want to achieve with your weight loss efforts and keeping it in mind, the next step is planning on how to accomplish it. Planning involves proper scheduling of activities to be done throughout the whole day for a certain period of time, including exercises, meals, sleeping and waking. It comprises of the time these activities should be done, the duration, and in the case of eating meals, the food to be consumed and what amounts. This way, inappropriate spur-of-the-moment decisions can be avoided. A proper and effective weight loss plan consists of quality time for performing such activities. That is, allow enough time to meet the objectives correctly. For example, sleep should be scheduled to last for around 7 to 8 hours a day so that you'll be able to get enough rest. Lack of sleep may cause improper eating habits the next day. Again, plans should be relatively realistic. Include only time and activities you know for yourself you can accomplish for a given period of time. Also, as you finish preparing your weight loss plan, you might want to write it down since you can't always remember when you're supposed to do each part of the plan. Post it in a place where you can always see and read it to remind you what your plans are for the day. Try your best not to skip anything in your scheduled plan so as not to ruin the effectiveness of it.